Teaching competencies. Lesson planning. Developing lessons does not require tightly scripting every interaction or rigidly adhering to a fixed plan. Effective teachers provide room for spontaneity and time to explore questions and topics that are on the minds of the students. They recognize that well-designed classes retain structure and direction, and that planning allows the leeway to vary an original design and then come back to it according to the flow of the class. Without a plan, or by following a poorly designed plan, students become easily distracted or disinterested, moving through activities without a clear sense of purpose or engagement. Bloom's taxonomy is a classification system regarding learning that provides guidance as to how we should go about planning lessons and curriculum. This step-by-step model describes the learning process for most students. This model should be applied to lesson planning, as it provides a background as to how students learn. So, how can we use digital technologies to enhance planning for learning? Social media and other websites allow teachers around the world to share and comment on a large variety of activities and lesson plans. The Internet contains unlimited possibilities for teachers to use networks to collaborate with other teachers across the globe. These sites provide infinite databases and resources that allow teachers to draw on different ideas in order to create the best possible learning situations for their students. However, concerns arise when teachers depend solely upon the work of others for their lesson planning. In addition to the lack of personalization associated with dependence on lesson plans, sources could be unreliable, resulting in activities that do not enhance student learning or engagement. In order to ensure that optimal levels of effectiveness are reached regarding the use of networking and lesson planning, it is crucial that the teacher applies critical thought in his or her selection of the plan. By first considering the validity of the source, the teacher can gauge to what extent a lesson provided by another source will be effective in enhancing student learning. Next, the teacher must ask, how will this particular lesson help my students achieve their individualized learning goals? Or, how will this activity reinforce the learning that has already taken place within this classroom? Finally, and this applies to all lesson planning, the teacher should engage in the activity themselves before implementing it into classroom instruction. By doing so, the teacher can determine what worked well with this activity and what could be improved on before demonstrating it to the students. Further, performing the activity or simulating the lesson beforehand can help plan timing and eliminate any other unforeseen problems. Planning for learning is a significant part of teaching, as the teacher must take into consideration the unique needs of the students, how the activity will be introduced, how they will be engaged, and finally, how they will be assessed. Thank you.